Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, the IT Man. So today the problem we are focusing on is problem of the day on LeetCode. So problem number is 826. Most profit assigning work. Okay, so we will start by reading the description. Okay, so what is given and what we need to provide the output. Okay, so like the given is you have n jobs and m workers. Okay, so like we have given n number of jobs and we have provided m number of workers. Okay, and like we have given three arrays, that is difficulty, profit and worker. Okay, so on the base of that, like difficulty and profit has the same size. Okay, like same number of elements. Okay, so and then we have also given worker array. Okay, so like worker is represents basically the number of the ability of work he can do. Okay, and let's suppose here it is mentioned 4 5 6 7. So okay, then ith worker represents four value, like four task. For example, like four task is done, or fourth max difficulty kind of a task he can complete. Okay, so based upon that, what we have to calculate is like return the maximum profit we can achieve after assigning the workers to the jobs. Okay, so like we have to assign the jobs to the workers in such a way so that we can get the maximum profit. Okay, so let's keep it here. And then so first what we will try to like we must try to find an approach before going to before going to write the code. Okay, so we will try to figure out the approach, like what is given, what we need to do. Okay, so in this problem we have given, that is difficulty, we have given profit, and we have given the workers. Okay, so on the basis of difficulty, corresponding to difficulty, we have given the profits. Okay, so like you can say, like for two like if workers has two difficulty. Okay, two difficulties, then he will have the profit of 10. Okay, so that we can gain a profit of 10. Okay, so according to that, 4 have 20, 6 is 30, then 8 has 40, and 10 has 50. Okay, so what I can think of it is like the best way would be like we can contain this difficulty and profit in a 2D matrix. Okay, because in some situation this difficulty array can be like this problem given is in ascending order. Okay, but like what if it comes in like it is not arranged. Okay, data is not arranged, like four after, like after 4 1 can come. Okay, so the data is not in a ascending or descending order. So like for this one we have to create a 2D array. And then okay, so what we will do, we will write here 2 10. Okay, then we will have 4 comma 20. So like what we simply are doing, we are taking the difficulty, and corresponding to the difficulty we are writing the profit of it. Okay, then we have 6, we have 30. Okay, we have 8, then we have 40. Okay, we will pick 10, then 50. Okay, so this 2D array we have created. Okay, so now what we have to do, like I was like, the purpose of creating this 2D array is basically to sort this difficulty array. Okay, if data comes in an arrangement order. Okay, so like we will simply sort this data on the base of the first element. Okay, so like now the data is already sorted, so I won't do it here on the node side. Okay, so what we will take check it now, what we will check now, we will take the workers array. Okay, 4 5 6 comma 7. Okay, so what we will do, we will sort this one also, so that we don't have to iterate every time from the 0th index. Okay, otherwise we have to iterate from 2 to 2. I will tell you like why we have sorted this one. So this is already sorted, so we don't need to sort it on the node. Okay, so let's suppose 4 comes. Okay, the ability of ith 0th worker, okay, is 4. Okay, so we will check the conditions. Okay, so like we will check the ability of the worker, whether it is greater than equals to the job. Okay, job at 0th index. Okay, fine. So we will check for the first time, we will pick 2. Okay, 4 is greater than equals to 2, so that is true condition. Then we will took 4. Okay, so 4 is greater than equals to 4, it is also true. Okay, then we will pick 6. 6 is greater than equals to 4, this condition becomes false. Okay, then we will stop here. Okay, we will pick this element. Okay, 4. What we will do, we will pick the profit of this fourth uh, difficulty level. Okay, so the difficulty level is 4 and the profit is 20. Okay, so like whenever our condition matches, okay, our conditions fail, so before that one we will pick the element. So what we will pick, 20. Okay, then we will because we also have other workers and we have to calculate the total profit. Okay, so we have to pick the profit and keeps on adding it. Okay, then we have 5. Okay, then 5 comes. Okay, we will start from this 4. Okay, not here. Okay, let's suppose that's why we have ordered we have sorted this array already. Okay, the reason is, let's suppose here this data is, this array is not sorted and 1 comes here. Okay, if 1 comes here, then we have to again traverse it from the 0th, but this is already sorted. So like we have came till here, right? So we don't have to start from 0. Okay, because the date element is already sorted. Okay, like the next element will always be the greater, so we have to think about the greater than 4. Okay, so we don't have to worry about 2. Okay, this one we can leave. Okay, because it has already matched our condition, so we don't have to consider this from now. Okay, next come 4 5. So 5 is we have if we write here 5, so 5 is also greater than 4, but 5 is not greater than equal to 6. Okay, so here this condition again false. Then we will pick the profit of fourth only. So what we will have, 20. mm, I would say we will have 20, then we will keep on adding. Then we have 6. 6 will match this condition, then it will pick 30. 30. Okay, then we have 7. 7 will not go to 8 because 7 is not greater than equals to 8, then it will just stays here. Okay, match this condition and picks the profit of sixth difficulty, then 30. Okay, if we add it, then we will get 100. Okay, so now we have discussed the approach, like how we are trying to implement the solution. So now let's move on to the implementation of this logic. Okay, so like I have already implemented the logic. Okay, so there is no need of typing it again, so I will briefly explain it to you. So like what we have done, we have taken the difficulty, like the number of elements in this difficulty array. So now already we have discussed, like to sort this difficulty and profit corresponding to it, right? So so we have to create a 2D array. So we are creating a 2D array. Simply we are traversing and picking the element. Okay, so at 0th difficulty will be there, as you can see here, like 2 at the 0th. Okay, and 10 will be at the second element. Like if we in terms of array, then it is at 0 and it is at 1. Okay, so we will keep adding these elements. Then we will like after the whole area sorry, after the whole arrays traverse, then we will have this a 2D array. Okay, so then what we have to do, we have, as we have already discussed, like we have to sort this 2D array. So on the base of the first index, we will sort this 2D array. Okay, then we also have to sort the workers array. Okay, and then we will create three variables. Okay, one is index, second is max profit, and third is the best. Okay, of for that particular worker, like what is the best profit for that worker. Okay, so we will simply traverse the workers array, and we will simply start with this condition. Okay, like while this workers ability is greater than equals to the difficulty level. Okay, so we will keep traversing it. Okay, this is the simply condition we have put. Then we are checking the value, like what is the workers ability and what is the difficulty level. Okay, when this condition match, okay, then we simply put taking the maximum of it. Okay, like for like let's say for the first element, okay, we have two 2 comma 10. Okay, so and 4 comes here. Okay, so like 2 is greater than, sorry, 4 is greater than equal to 2, this condition match, then best it will go to the best. Okay, and best will be equals to what will best having math dot max of best, all we have 0 as initialize, and the first will be the element is 10. Okay, we will take the profit of the first one is 10. Okay, then we will have it will go to the next, it will traverse to the next column. Okay, we will have 4. 4 also matches the condition, then it will go like we already have 10 here, and then the profit of 4 is 20. Okay, then a best will be equals to 20. So we keeps on traversing, and then we will keep getting this best value. Okay, until this condition fails. Okay, so if this condition fails, then we will simply keep on adding these values. Okay, so on the first time we are getting 20. Okay, for 4, then 5 we are also getting 20, so we will keeps on adding it, and then we will get the result. Okay, so you try to implement it from your side also. Okay, first without looking at the solution, and then see if you face any difficulty. Okay, so thank you guys. If you face any issue, okay, please let me know in the comments, so I will be helping you out. Okay, so keep growing, keep learning. Thank you so much. Bye bye.